Hi everyone, today I'll be installing this set of 4 aluminum caliper covers, and we'll need these jack pads to safely lift the vehicle. These pucks are a must have to safely lift it without damaging the battery packs. So let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is remove this cap. I got this plastic tool that you can just put in here real quick. You just get it in there nice and tight, and then you just pull. Yeah, it comes right off. All right, now let's just get these bad boys off. Hopefully then get over tighten. Nope, that was good. Yeah, they did a good job. They over tightened these. All right, so I got the puck right here on the jack. I'm just gonna roll it in here, and there's a hole where it'll go right in. So that looks about right. Yep. And it goes right in the hole and just lift it up. So with these caliper covers come these this silver diamond shape to put up here, and a Tesla sticker put right there. So first you gotta take this cover off, which is kind of tricky. So I don't have nails, so pull that off with this, and then get this little guy. Pull the cover off. This has a little film as well. Get that off and just place it right up there. Boom. Now for the sticker, just gotta peel it off. Like that. And just kind of center it. I don't know. I guess that looks good to me. And put it wherever you want. Not gonna hurt my feelings. So that looks good there. Once you press it down nice and good, and just peel this off. Boom. There it is. Alright, so got the wheel off. First thing we need to do is put this on, since I'm working on the left front wheel. You put this L1 right in this groove of the caliper. The L1 needs to be outwards. There, it just sits right there. And we can put the cover on. There it goes. So let me move this guy over here. And then we gotta put these little brackets where we can tighten the screw. So this guy's gonna go in here. It's a little tricky to put it in, but all right, so these things are a bit tricky to put on, these little brackets. So what I did is that I put one on up here, and then I just barely tightened this just so that would, because it kept falling off. So now I got the other one in there, And then I'll just screw this guy in. Alright, so now we're installing the rear left, and this is a different installation than the front ones. What I found easier to do is just to have them already screwed in there, just loose, so that you can just, you know, put it right on top of the lip and put it in there on the caliper. So the top one is L5 and the bottom one is bottom L5, top L4. So this just basically sits on top. Put it like that, right? Then you can just start screwing it in. You don't have to be fiddling around with it. It's already screwed in there. So just get it in there. And then the bottom one, I just have to make sure it just sits tight right there. And start screwing this one in. And that's it. I'm not going anywhere. And that's it, everyone. That's the finished product. Looks good to me. First one took a while. After that, it was pretty easy. So, good stuff. See y'all next time.